So here's a summertime tour of my backyard bar. The initial build was a 12-foot wide by 16-foot deep platform. The bar was 12 by 8 and the shed is 12 by 8. And about a year after that build, I added that 8-foot extension off the front of the bar. So these two cabinets that are lit up were initially large cabinet speakers, but I realized they were too loud and the bass was traveling too far. So for the sake of the neighbors, I switched them out to cabinets and installed some smaller speakers. You'll see those black bars that are mounted on the ceiling. Those are 240 volt electric radiant heaters, and on a night that's in the 40s or 50s, you turn those on and it feels like heat from the sun. I've had a lot of comments and questions about having a TV outside all year, and the truth is that's a $200 TV that I bought years ago. It's been out there for 3 years, winter, summer, and I have not had an issue. If the temperature is below freezing, I let the bar warm up a little bit before I turn it on. So there's a lot of lighting on this bar. We did use a lot of LED lights, but I do like the glow of the incandescent bulbs for the hanging lights. I did intend to clean out the shed before I made this video, but I got a little lazy. So it's a typical shed. It has a full-size fridge that can hold a half barrel and a quarter barrel, or a half barrel and 2 1/6 barrels. But pretty much it's a shed, and I pile stuff up in there. If you're wondering what that baby stroller is, you're gonna have to watch my short videos. And if you're going to use these type of latches, make sure you put a wire that goes through inside so that if you get locked in, you can get out. Probably shouldn't be showing you what a slob I am, but I do use this to store the vinyl and keep some of the boards that I use for winterizing. So when I decided to add a dartboard, I started searching the internet for, I thought I was going to get a cheap dartboard, but I went down the rabbit hole and discovered this Grandboard 3S, which is Bluetooth that links to the iPad, which then links to the TV, and it is super cool. We don't play a lot of darts, but it's a lot of fun, and they do not sponsor me. I'm just telling you, it's a cool dartboard. So there's a quick 4-minute tour of the bar. If you have any specific questions, put them in the comments and I will try to answer them.